everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you already do that, thank you so much for your love and support. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very famous and a very important product which has been gaining a lot of attention these days. I'm talking about the Kumkumadi Tailam or the Kumkumadi oil, if you may say so. This oil has been very recently doing rounds in the Indian market and globally, but actually this is a very ancient Ayurvedic recipe which is used in every household in the southern part of our country. In Kerala, this recipe has been passed from generations. It is very recent that the companies have started bottling it and marketing it. Kumkumadi oil, which is also called as saffron oil, gets its name from kumkum, which is saffron, and adi as an etc. So there are a lot of other ingredients which is mixed to the main ingredient, which is saffron, to get this miracle oil. Now what does the oil do to our skin? Let's talk about its benefits. It works wonders to reduce dark circles. It is amazingly effective for reducing hyperpigmentation. It has amazing properties to reduce all signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It protects our skin from sun damage and free radicals. It gives the skin a very natural glow and brightens dull skin. It also helps in reducing acne scar and pimples. Today I'm going to talk about this product in particular because I have been using it for months. I was holding my review until now because I wanted to be 100% sure before I start talking about it. This is La Organo's Kumkumadi oil. This is how the outer packaging looks like. On this packaging, you will find a little description about Kumkumadi oil, its full ingredient lists, benefit of this oil and how to use it. The actual bottle looks like this. It comes in a plasticky bottle and it has a pump which makes it easy to dispose out the product. Very travel friendly packaging. This product will easily last for 4 months. As you can see, I've hardly finished anything and I have religiously used it for more than a month now. So this is going to go a long way. I will quickly read out what the product claims. The product says Kumkumadi oil benefits, reduces dark spot, prevents premature aging, nourishes and hydrates skin, gives a natural glow, removes fine lines and wrinkles, fights acne scar. Now this product comes with 24 karat gold dust, which makes it even more perfect. I would recommend you to use this product during the night time and not in the daytime. And if at all you want to use it in the daytime, then please do not ignore sunscreen. This product is fabulous for all skin type. If you're someone who has oily skin, then you can apply this product and leave it for about an hour and then wash off with lukewarm water. If you have combination skin, then you can leave it on your skin for 2-3 hours and then rinse it off. And if you're a dry skin type like me, then you can leave it overnight as I do. This product has something for every skin type. Guys, please be very patient with this product because this is an Ayurvedic recipe and Ayurvedic products take time to show results. But once they do, they have a very lasting effect. That is the reason I was holding on my review on this product because I wanted to be 100% sure before I spoke about it. And the results on my face started showing up after a month. So I would really recommend you to be patient and give yourself some time for this product to work on your skin. I would say it will at least take 45 days or close to a month for you to see any visible improvement on your skin. This product retails for 1195 rupees and you get 30 ml. You can check out the discounts. It is available on multiple platforms. Each and every detail about this product will be mentioned in the description box below. So don't miss that out. Now let's check out the consistency of this product. I will show you some at the back of my hand. This is a very light yellow looking oil. This is actually a mixture of oil and serum. As you can see, it is very liquidy. And initially it does feel little greasy on the skin, but after like 5-10 minutes it gets absorbed into the skin very nicely. So the quantity of the product will depend on what skin type you are. As I said before, you can see such a nice glow it has on the skin. The color of the product is light yellow because of the saffron element in it. It gets the color from the saffron. This product has a very Ayurvedic smell and I really love the fragrance. This fragrance cannot irritate anyone. Even if you are acne prone and you are very sensitive to smell, I can assure you that this fragrance will not bother you at all. And moreover, this product is made for sensitive and acne prone skin. So guys, this was my honest review about the most famous facial oil, which is Kumkumadi Tailam. And if you like it, then please give it a try and leave me a comment below if you liked it or what did you feel after using it. Did it work on your skin? Did you see any difference on your skin? So if you have anything, if you want to ask me anything, then please drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply to you. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I'll see you guys super soon with a new video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.